I've cheated and I've lied, I've broke down and I've cried. I've got nothing to hide no more. I've loved and I've hurt, broken people down with words, more grace than I deserve for sure. Known to be crazy, known to be wild. Mama had herself a little devilish child. Ain't no stranger to the troubles at my door. I've been at the wrong place at the wrong time, chasing all the wrong things most of my life. Been every kind of loss that you can't find, but I got one thing right. Been the kind of guy girls mamas don't like, running with the wrong crowd on the wrong nights. Cause I've been wrong about 1,000,000 times, but I got one thing right. You, baby, I got one thing right. Baby, I got one thing right. I got you. Through my pain, kept us patient while I changed. Never even crossed your mind to walk away. When I was getting crazy, reckless and wild, acting like my mama's little devilish child. It took a heart like yours to find its place. I've been at the wrong place at the wrong time, chasing all the wrong things most of my life. Been every kind of loss that you can't find, but I got one thing right. Been the kind of guy girls mamas don't like, running with the wrong crowd on the wrong night. I've been wrong about 1,000,000 times, but I got one thing right. You, baby, I got one thing right. Baby, I got one thing. Yeah, I got you.
Okay, so right now we have arrived at Taman Eko Rimba Bukit Wang. Hi guys, now we have arrived, and the first thing we look at, we see this waterfall, and there is another one, and I thought there is more over there, and I think there's more interesting thing that we can see over here. Thank you. Let's check it out. As you can see, there is a family activity in this waterfall. As you can hear the sound of the waterfall, it will give you relaxing. You will move out your stress, so that you can come here when you get done your assignment, so that it will give you the relaxing mind. Make sure that you get a more effective day, effective day. Guys, so today I will tell you about the benefit of the water. So my first point is the water give the human water supply to make sure that people can easily use in daily life. For example, can I give? People always use water to get bath in the morning, go to school, to wash the clothes, to clean the car, and so that all of the activities will use the water to make sure that our daily life going easily. Okay, for the second point is the water gives the habitat for the marine life. As you know that right now many construction happen in our environment, so that we must take care of our river to make sure that habitat that live in the water will live, because the habitat in the water also give the benefit for us, like the human. Without the habitat, without the animal that live in the water, it will cut our food chain, so that human cannot get the supply of food. Human cannot get the food supply to make sure their life going on. Okay, for the third point is the river will increase the visitor of our country. If it because the river can give can increase our economy by the foreigner coming to our country to visit our river. That our country well known with the beautiful of the river. As you can see that the water behind me, the water was very clear, and we can see the fish in the water. Okay, my last point is the water. It will minimize the temperature of environment. It is because the temperature, the water can keep the temperature of environment, so that it will make sure that our environment will not too hot, and the temperature will not increase too high. That's all. Hey guys, I will tell you about the benefit of tree. The first thing, the tree supply to human an oxygen. This is because the tree will change carbon dioxide that exhale from human into oxygen. This thing we call process photosynthesis. Okay, next, hello. The next benefit of tree can stabilize the temperature. The tree near the sun, but if too much sun, they will die. The function of the highest tree, the highest part of canopy in rainforest tree, it protect ground and the tree to get too much sun. The third benefit that the tree can avoid landslide. As we know, as I know, the root of the tree will keep the structure of soil and low and decrease the risk to landslide happen. The last benefit is the tree can be the place for animals. As we know, the tree is a place to live for animals such as monkeys and squirrels, birds, and any animals, others.